Hello everybody, I have a new iPhone 16 and I want to set up for the first time. So when you just turn on the iPhone, it comes the message that which language do you want to select. I just go with the English, and then you can choose the area that you belongs to and you live. I choose, for example, Norway. Appearance, I just go with the default. And then quick start, we can just set up without another device. We just click on that one and then set up later and then choose a network. So then I choose a network that I'm going to use that one for wireless, and I just put a password for that one. Just a moment. I just put a password and I just join to the wireless net. Then it takes a few minutes, continue, and then it's working. When it is finished, it comes to the data and privacy. We just say continue. Set up iPhone. It is that set up for my child or set up for myself. If it is for your child, you should go for this one. But then it is for myself and I just continue. Face ID, I will set up later. But you can just also put the continue and put your face. Instead of using any PIN code or password, you can use the Face ID here. But I will put it later. And then set up a PIN code. And then I will put a PIN code. And when I set a PIN code for that one, it continues. When it comes here, it is very interesting. We have a different choices. If you want to transfer from other phone, from Mac, from PC, from another iPhone, we choose one of those. If you don't have any other devices, you can just choose the don't transfer anything and then it is finished. But I have the iPhone, I have the Samsung program or Samsung phone that I want also to transfer all of my data inside that one. That's the reason that before doing anything, we have to install the app names the Move to iOS in the program. For this work, we go to the Play Store and move to iOS, and then we just open that one. So then we have the install this program in my Galaxy iPhone, in my Galaxy Samsung, and then I say that from Android, choose from the Android, transfer from Android. It is continue like that one from the iPhone, and also I go that this is the code that I have to use in my Samsung to transfer all the data, pictures, figures, contacts, and anything inside that one. So this is the code in the iPhone is important. So I go to my Samsung and then I just say that continue. I just agree and I say that automatically send, allow application, continue, and then yeah, just choose turn on notification, continue, allow, and then connect via cable or continue with the Wi-Fi. I say continue with the Wi-Fi, and then here it finds that device on Wi-Fi, it is iPhone. So then I was just connected this one, connect via iPhone or via code, and then I say that continue, and then here you can just put the code that we have here, and if we put the code, everything will be transferred. 5. So then it is started to select the items that should be transferred to my new iPhone 16. I want to transfer the messages, allow. I want to select also the contacts, call history, allow, events, allow, Google account, I want to transfer it, photo library, I want, allow limited access or allow all. I will say all, voice memories, I want to select everything, apps, I wanted to have it, display setting, accessibility setting, WhatsApp, move to iOS, yeah, and everything is started to move from the Samsung. This one is Samsung S21, but it is the same for Samsung's over S4, S5, S6, S9, S8, everything. So it is the same. Move to iOS, and then we just put it like that one. So the data is now transferring. So it takes a getting ready now, and say that it is almost done. You will be redirected to move to iOS to complete the transfer. So then if I say that next, so then I say that the continue, and then it is started to transferring the data from my Galaxy, from my Samsung Android mobile to my iPhone. So it is transferring all the data. So say that estimated time to transfer, it will come soon. Estimated time, yeah, it is 34 minutes remaining. So it's a lot of data is going to be transferred. So I will just pause the video. Then it will updated it with the time. So it is 14 minutes now. So it is getting close. It is now about 1 minute and 94%. And if I look also at my iPhone, it is the same message there. So I should wait a little bit more, and then all the data will be transferred, and then we continue with setting and finishing the iPhone setup. It's almost there, and so then it is almost finished. And also we get the same message that it says in iPhone that the transfer complete. Here we can say that it is done on the Samsung. It is finished here. And then here we can just continue with the message. The items you transferred from your Android are now available in phone. Some of them, such as voice memos, were imported to the move to iOS folder. So we have the call history, voice memos, message, contacts, events, library photos, accounts, apps. Those, everything has been copied here, and WhatsApp. So then I just continue to finish the setup. So Apple account, here we just put the Apple account that you are working with, that one. I just put my Apple account here. And then you press the continue, and then it asks about also the password. So before making the iPhone or the setup, you have to this Apple ID ready. So I just continue the case. And it continues. It's a two-factor code. It is sent to the mobile that I have given here. So it is the approval code that I got as a SMS in my mobile. And the approval code is 547065. I got it from the SMS. I verify it. And then it is almost ready. I finish the case. It's finished. Update your iPhone automatically. Continue. Location service set up later, or I just turn on the location center. the mobile phone setup, those things I will put later. Payment setup later, I don't have anything. Screen setup later. iPhone analytics I don't want to share. Light or dark mode, I just continue with the default. Silent mode, continue. And here they say that in the iPhone, if you press this button, it will be silent or it will be active. Just I continue. To illustrate that one, control camera, there are just some illustrations that how we use it. And then emergency, just all these, and then welcome to iPhone. So then sweep to the get start. So everything is in the place.